Wait, what do you mean I can't join you?
Guys can't throw or run fast. It will be unfair to the team you're on.
Oh, that's not true.
What are you going to do about it? Cry?
Cry, baby!
Let's go! I'm the Polanians!
That's so unfair. No, I'll show them. Yeah? Piece of cake. Attack!
Ow! Hey!
You're dead!
Ambush! Take cover!
Hey! She's not even playing! Fail!
One down, 4 to go. Over there? Totally got you.
Anybody can sneak up from behind.
Fire away! Perfect spot. They've taken cover! This will protect me. Perfect spot. The coward
Take
attack!
this!
I'll gotcha!
I'm only wounded!
Taking cover! Attack! Hit!
I'm not dead yet!
That's better!
Hey!
Fire
Snow
away!
only, no ice!
Take this! Maybe I can find a better position. I should be safe there. Fire away! Our hero is under attack! This will protect me. Take this! Prepare to lose! Fire away! The cowards attack! I should be safe there. Attack! I'll beat them all by myself! The Polanian fighter kills the next Roosevelt.
You're the Roosevelt! The Roosevelts are coming! Fall back!
And from now on, every hit counts!
Hey, you were dead! You can run, but you can't hide! This way! There's one! Take this one! Our hero is under attack!
You gonna cry, little girl?
I should take cover! This will protect me. On my way. Piece of cake. Fire away! Attack! Ouch! Boom! I should take cover. Taking cover! Take this! Next time, just let me join in. Almost there! Attack!
Get her!
Attack! Polania forever!
Oh, hey! Ouch!
You are dead!
I'm not! You are dead! You can just...
Why don't you pick on someone your own size? Or taller?
She's got reinforcements! Retreat!
They cheated. I would have won.
It looked like they had you pretty much pinned down. Come on, let's go back to the village. Papa will be waiting.
Or you could finally teach me to shoot. You did promise.
I said when you're older.
I am older than I was when you promised me. And how else will I defend myself in the war?
When the war breaks out, you'll keep your head down. I'll take care of you.
And what if you're not around? Uncle Lech says everybody in Polania must learn to defend themselves.
I'll always be there for you.
Well, the boys did have me pinned down back there, and if it hadn't been snowballs, but...
Oh, Anna, all right. But
I know. Don't tell Papa.
I'm going to regret this. All right. There are deer in this forest. Let's be very quiet and try to find some.
Uh-huh.
All right then. Take the lead, General.
New primary objective received.
I'm ready. On my way. This...
Over there.
I see it. Here goes. What? I was quiet.
Deer are prey animals, so they are very attentive. We need a new strategy, General.
I'll hide in some bushes so they can't see me, and you'll drive them in my direction.
Good plan. Just make sure you shoot the deer and not me.
Quiet now.
What are you thinking?
I'm ready. Drive the deer to me.
Very well. Let's find some deer. Good plan. I'll walk in the park. On my way. Sure thing. Fine. Sure thing. Fine. There it is. Let's get it into shooting range. Sure thing. Good plan. Fine.
Yeah? Hold still. Drat!
Good hiding spot. But that was a terrible shot.
I think something's wrong with this rifle.
Look, when you pull the trigger, you can't wonder if you're going to hit. You already have to know. You see the target, you see how it moves, you feel when the time is right, and then... Pow! Venison for dinner.
I understand, I think.
All right, you hide in the bush, and
I know.
Good plan. Sure thing. Good plan. Fine. Sure thing. Good plan.
Here goes. Not again!
Use your skills right and you'll hit every time. Yes? Sure thing. Good plan.
What's next?
Sure thing.
Yeah? Just like Yannick showed me. I hit it!
Clean shot, Butterfly!
Papa will never believe me!
He won't know anything about it. I shot the deer, remember?
Oh, right. And what a shot it was! Your best so far!
Joker.
Ugh, this is disgusting.
That's part of it. We don't kill for fun.
Yannick, do you really think there will be war?
Sure. And this time, it's going to be a big one. Saxony, Rusviet, the Nordic kingdoms, maybe even the Shogunate. The whole wide world.
Will the soldiers come here too?
To this dump? Why would they?
Yannick!
Shoot! Shoot!
Whew. That was pretty close.
Yes, thank you.
Must have been hungry. Hey, Arthur! Take the beast. It will make a warm coat for Siberia.
You're going to war? To Rusviet?
Aye. Defending the motherland against Rusviet aggression.
Wow.
Pretty impressive, huh? Śmiały. Latest model. They won't even know what hit them.
So awesome.
Come on, the village can't be far.
You're looking for Zalesie. I'm from there, I can take you there.
Well, then hop on up, soldier.
Head straight back, all right? And don't forget the roast.
Head straight back, all right? And don't forget the roast. Ugh. Hello? Oh no. I'm sorry.
But it's not your decision, Piotr. It's the boy's decision. If he wants to defend his motherland.
It will be a bloodbath. You know what those machines are capable of.
Every volunteer receives the best training and equipment. And who knows, maybe one day you will command one of these.
He will not. I won't let my son die in another meaningless war.
Meaningless? We are defending our homes, our freedom. What do you want your son to become? A patriot or a coward?
Like me?
We will all do our part to protect Polania. Will you?
I don't think the war will be that bad. And Uncle Lech will look after me.
Everyone will be home by Christmas, boy.
This is not a game, Yannick. It's
the right decision. You are a man and a Polanian. You should be proud to be both. Come, pack your things.
Yannick!
You're going to war?
You heard him. Just for a few months.
You're leaving me alone.
No! Never. I just want to protect you. The war is coming, whether we want it or not. Uncle Lech says the best chance we have is to strike fast and hard. We have to show the Rusviets and Saxonians that we won't put up with anything. We won't hide.
But Papa says it's going to be a bloodbath.
Papa is not a fighter. He would rather hide out here until the end of time and repair rusted farm equipment. He doesn't understand.
Then I want to go with you.
I'm doing this for you, Butterfly.
Don't go.
It's only for a few months.
They said the war would be an adventure. Promising pride and honor. In the end, it would be 5 years. Years of torment and horror, like the world had never seen before. For the first time, the great nations of the world faced each other with weapons that could kill dozens, hundreds with a single blow. The war is over now, but it cost the lives of millions. Among them, Yannick, my brother, who wanted to be back for Christmas, who had promised never to leave me.